Hey friends, on today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to change the filter on this Germ Guardian. This is one of the smaller models, but again, the process is going to be very similar for most of these. Now, as I turn this on, you'll see this little red light starts blinking. And basically, this is just to indicate that the filter does need to be changed. So I'll show you how to reset that light as well. Now we're gonna see just how bad this really is. Basically, we do have this little grate that's on the back of the machine, and there's a little clip up top. We can just push that down and pull this out. That doesn't look too bad. We probably need to dust it off a little bit, but then look at our charcoal filter. This is the outer filter. You can see it's got a bunch of junk on this. These can be reused once or twice. You basically just run some water over them and clean them off, let them dry out before you obviously install them back in. But once I take this off, you can see that underneath our main filter is now showing some significant signs of being dirty. You can see all the fins are really showing the dust in there. So let's pull this guy out. Basically it just comes out like that and we'll replace it. Okay, so we've got our new box of filters here. You can see these are the Viva. This is filter size B for these smaller ones. These also come in filter size C if you have a larger one. There's 3 filters in here and then 12 of those little black carbon pre-filters. So again, great little product. Pick this up on Amazon. We'll put links in the description box below. So these are labeled really nice. You can see that this arrow indicates how the airflow goes. So basically we're gonna put our charcoal pre-filter here on this side where you have the little Velcro strips. Let's go ahead and stick that on there. It basically just aligns nice and easy just like that. And then back down here at the main unit, we'll take our filter. And again, look for that arrow, make sure it's pointed in towards the main air filter. You also wanna make sure that your filter is gonna be able to push down this little button down here at the bottom. That's what indicates to the machine that something has been installed. So as you can see, these just slide in nice and easy into place, and we're ready to put our back on. And there you go. That's basically how you change that filter. Now, once you get things back in, as you can see, you do need to push and hold the UV button right here for 5 seconds, and that's gonna reset all the lights and let the Germ Guardian know that you've replaced the filter. That's it, friends. I hope that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned, subscribe. We're making a ton more DIY home tutorials to make your life just a little bit easier.